The present perfect tense is an essential tool for reflecting on memorable experiences, especially when it comes to hosting. Hosting events, gatherings, or visitors can be filled with unforgettable moments that shape our memories and experiences. In this essay, we will explore how the present perfect tense can help us highlight these moments and reflect on the impactful experiences we have had as hosts. One significant use of the present perfect tense in hosting is to describe past experiences that have a connection to the present moment. For example, years I have hosted many dinner parties in the past.
But this one stands out as the best one yet. By using the present perfect tense in this sentence, we emphasize the ongoing significance of past experiences and how they have shaped our current perceptions and memories. Another important aspect of hosting is the preparation and anticipation leading up to the event. We can use the present perfect tense to reflect on the efforts we have put in before the event. For instance, I've spent weeks planning this party, and I can't believe it's finally happening. This use of the present perfect tense showcases the hard work and dedication that went into hosting the event and sets the stage for a memorable experience. Furthermore, the present perfect tense can be used to describe the reactions and responses of the guests during the event. For example, our guests have been so appreciative of the effort we put into hosting them. This sentence highlights the positive feedback and gratitude from the guests, adding to the overall experience of hosting. In conclusion, the present perfect tense is a valuable tool for reflecting on memorable hosting experiences. By using this tense, we can highlight the connections between past experiences and the present moment, showcase the efforts put into hosting, and describe the reactions and responses of the guests. Hosting is a rich and rewarding experience filled with unforgettable moments, and the present perfect tense allows us to capture and reflect on these memories in a meaningful way.